About Disney's project management, where magic gets real. The Walt Disney Company.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Disney, founded in 1932, is a global entertainment giant known for its iconic animated characters and innovative storytelling. Initially started as a small animation studio, Disney has expanded its reach to include television shows, theme parks, movies, and more. The company's appealing, family-friendly entertainment has impacted millions of people's childhoods throughout the world, leaving a cultural legacy that will last for decades. Disney owns Disney Plus, ABC, and massive film studios such as Pixar, Marvel, and Lucasfilm. Theme parks and resorts with millions of guests visiting annually. It has been over a century since Disney's commitment to creativity, innovation, and storytelling has made it what it is, Disney. Disney's vision is to entertain, inspire, and educate audiences throughout the globe about the unparalleled power of compelling storytelling, the pioneer of iconic brands, and magical and inspiring ideas. Disney's journey to creating the most magical place on earth came across many obstacles. Disney's early days were too far from a fairy tale. This period serves as an indication of the extensive need for strong project management in turning dreams into reality. Disney's Black Sunday, the chaotic opening. Disneyland's opening day was marked by Black Sunday on 17 July 1955. The park was not prepared for huge crowds. Construction delays, heat waves, and counterfeit tickets caused delays in some park sections. Over 28,000 people visited the park, exceeding expectations. The park was not prepared for huge crowds due to inadequate project planning and poor risk management, resulting in a breakdown of rides due to a gas leak, food and drinks running out early, and drinking fountains not working, which resulted in disastrous events on the opening day. The event was a major turning point in Disney's history. Despite a disastrous opening day at Disneyland, Disney promptly addressed the issue, improving crowd control and rides to accommodate more guests. Walt and his team focused on honing the Disneyland experience, turning it into an efficient circus. Although Disneyland became a worldwide symbol of fun and success, Black Sunday served as a lesson in planning and flexibility on large-scale projects. Key takeaways from Black Sunday. Risk management. The first step in risk management is to identify, assess, and respond to potential risks to the project. Crisis management. The goal is to minimize the negative aspects of the crisis by structuring the framework for addressing unexpected events. Resource allocation. Developing a solid plan strategically allocates the resources to the project to ensure project success. Disney's project management. After the chaotic opening day, Disneyland faced significant challenges due to tight deadlines and insufficient testing. Project managers were forced to make compromises to meet the opening date, which resulted in last-minute scrambling. Overcrowding from counterfeit tickets, plumbing issues that caused water shortages, and extreme heat further complicated the situation. These early setbacks highlighted a lack of planning, project management, risk management, and communication among departments. Despite the difficulties of Black Sunday, Disney's response was an indication of its ability to learn from failure and adapt quickly. The company swiftly identified operational shortcomings and worked to improve park logistics, guest services, and safety protocols. This experience led to a more disciplined approach to project management in future endeavors, emphasizing thorough testing, alternative planning, and cross-functional collaboration. Black Sunday ultimately became a turning point, pushing Disney to refine its strategies and ensure that future projects were handled with proper planning and greater vision. Disney's ability to learn from its early failures and achieve its vision is remarkable. Over the period, they transformed their approach to project management, planning, risk management, and resource management strategies. These changes are very crucial for any project manager. Phases of Disney's project management. The journey of Disney overcoming the challenges of Black Sunday can be understood through the various phases of project management, each contributing to the eventual success of the park. These phases can be broken down as follows. Project initiation. The initiation phase of Disneyland's project management started with Walt Disney's bold decision to create a groundbreaking theme park like anything the world had never seen. This phase involved defining the project scope, setting high-level objectives, and securing initial investments. Project planning. The planning phase lacked the level of detail needed for such a vision. The team didn't consider crucial factors such as crowd management, infrastructure, and the technical demands of the attractions of the park. Project execution. During the execution phase, Disneyland was overcrowded on the opening day, and the staff were unprepared. It exposed flaws in the planning, such as last-minute scrambling, overcrowding from counterfeit tickets, and insufficient water supply. Project monitoring and controlling. Disney's management quickly adapted by redeploying staff to key areas. Creating temporary solutions to technical issues and managing the crowd through quick fixes. Continuous monitoring allowed the team to identify problem areas and act rapidly. Project closing. The closure phase of the project wasn't an endpoint, but rather the transition to process improvement. Disney implemented learnings from Black Sunday, focusing on scalability and improving its guest experience. The preparation set the foundation for future Disney parks and theme park expansions, ensuring that Disney could handle the scale of operations required and that their projects could overcome unforeseen challenges moving forward.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.